Welcome to another Texas Chainsaw Massacre. For today, we got some good old Sonny content. We finally grinded hard enough and got this man to tier 3. Let's go. Let me tell you, this perk is amazing. It is called All Knowing. It is so good. Once you tier 3 Sonny's perk and put this one instead of these two on the skill tree, this lets you identify if a noise was made by another player or a family member. Players are marked blue, as you will see in the video, and I will talk about it, and players are marked yellow. This was a short, quick video, but it actually helped me a lot to know if a killer was still chasing me or not. It helped me know where the killers were, if I was able to move on safely to the next area or not. I definitely suggest you go for the range here. The second one, 25%. You want a good amount of distance when you're popping his ability. It is so good. These do not stack in a line, as they do not for most of the characters in this game. So I always recommend you go across in angles or side to side to get your full perk value. Let me know your thoughts on what the best Sonny build is. I ran Clear Eyes so you could see, you know, where all the traps are and everything, which I really actually like this perk. I think it's really good value. I ran Spotter, which is good for like your teammates. I haven't seen much value out of it for myself though. I'll see. I'll probably change that one up. And then this one really helps with stamina consumption, so I can keep on running. Let me tell you, them dashes. You be saving some stamina. You gotta run. Sometimes you gotta run. So anyway, I increased his stealth up to 33. Proficiency is just so important, man. Being able to go through something a little bit faster makes the difference between escaping and dying. Anyways, enjoy, and don't forget to comment, like.
What are the colors?
Hold on. Ooh, who's blue? Is that us? Is blue friendly? Hi, friend. I like it. Oh shit. Ah! Ah! Wait! What the fuck? Bubba's on me. No. Are we chilling? Okay, so teammates are blue.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, it's yellow for the enemies, blue for teammates. Oh yeah, I could get used to this. Ooh, this is so nice. Someone's coming down the bone room exit, by the way. A hitchhiker. Sonny and Sissy.
Hey, I can use this.
I like it.
Hello.
Alright, bone room is open. Ooh. Oh, there's two killers that way.
I should grab that.
Bubba's cutting stuff by ladder shack.
Oh, one of the killers are above bone room. I think it's Johnny. One of them near Grandpa. Oh, this whole got range. That's right.
It's them.
They're all by Grandpa.
From the
right?
campsite.
Yep.
Yep.
Just
One's
go
going generator
away.
door.
Damn it. They won't
I
leave.
see you over there in the grass.
Yeah. One. Oh, that's Grandpa.
Gotta keep out of sight.
It's like one's not
Gotta
moving.
keep moving.
Oh.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Oh no. Sissy, please don't turn around. Oh, thank God they're not in comms. Whew. I would have been fucked. Oh. Yeah, I got Sissy and goddamn Johnny on me.
Try to.
Going back to bone room.
Is fuse box
Yeah, it's just open.
size?
Oh.
I guess I can't save you after all.
I need to find something.
Please open it the back way. Miss Connie.
Says he's still following me in the basement. Yeah, we can just go round and round, Sissy. I don't think you understand. Oh. Good double infinite that ass, if you girl. And your smoke already cleared up, so we going back? Oh, the smoke just didn't show up. She's probably gonna call somebody down here eventually, right? Alright, Sissy had enough of my shit. She left me alone. Actually, she lost me. Oh, there it is. There's the ankle breaks. Oh, basement exit? Hey, appreciate you. I've been dancing with Sissy for 6 hours down here. I'm tired.
Do you have lockpicks?
Yes, I have it.
I'm gonna heal and I'm gonna just body
I'm gonna grab
Sissy with some
another
hits.
I only have one.
Right.
Yeah, Sissy's down here by the basement door. One of y'all open the basement exit?
I did, yeah.
They're
Slaughter
gonna
should be good too.
love
That's what
I
the
can
time
see your
is.
aura down there.
Sissy's trying to hit me at the gate. She
Oh.
can't. I don't know how. She wasted all her stamina. I'm teabagging. Yeah.
He's not